Hello, my name is
Hi,
Suraj
myself
Ganesh and I'm really grateful
Vani.
for the
I have
opportunity to complete
completed
this
my
internship.
internship
During this
with
internship,
Unified
I worked
Mentor as a
extensively
full
with
stack web
Python and
development
machine learning,
intern. It was a
where I
great
learned how
learning
to handle
experience.
real-world
I
datasets
got to
and
work
convert
on the
raw data into
projects
meaningful
like
insights. I
weather
worked on
app, which
multiple
uses API
projects,
integration, or
including
student
liver
teacher
cirrhosis
booking
detection,
appointments,
heart
which
disease
also uses
detection,
Firebase
fraud
and Cloud
transaction detection,
Firestore.
and American Sign
I
Language
had
detection.
such a
Across these
great time
projects,
working
I
on
was
this
involved in
project,
data
which
cleaning,
makes my knowledge
exploratory data
or
analysis,
my theoretical
visualization, and
knowledge
model
worked
building,
into the
which helped me
practical ones.
understand
It
the complete
improved my
end-to-end
skills
workflow
in
of the data
HTML,
science project.
CSS,
One
JavaScript,
of the most
and
valuable things
also
I
I
learned
happened to learn
was to
new
understand
skills
how
like
data
React,
visualization
Node,
and model
and
evaluation play a
Firebase as
critical
well.
role in decision making,
I had such a great time.
especially in
Overall,
domains like
the
healthcare and
mentors
finance.
in Unified
This
Mentor are
internship
so supportive.
strengthened my
Any
confidence
doubts
in
can be
Python,
solved if I
improved my
message them or
problem
call
solving
them in
skills,
any
and gave
time,
me hands-on
which was a
exposure
great
to
thing which makes
industry
every
relevant tools like
task
Pandas,
easier.
Matplotlib,
Thank you,
Scikit-learn,
Unified Mentor,
TensorFlow,
for
and
giving me
Google
this
Colab.
opportunity, and I'll
Overall, this
recommend to
experience
all
has
the
been
students
extremely
to gain the
rewarding
work
and has motivated me to
experience and
continue
the
building
real life
practical real-world
experience
machine
this is.
learning
Thank
solutions.
you.
Thank you.